This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start a threaded Instagram series? Open the Instagram app and switch to the account you'll use. Once done, create your assets. Crop images to the same aspect ratio and draft concise captions for each segment so flow is consistent. Make sure to choose 3-10 pieces of content. Fewer is clearer, more needs stronger pacing. Now tap the plus to start a new post and select the first image or video. This begins the thread structure you'll build sequentially. You'll build the middle of the thread by creating either a multi-image carousel or a series of consecutive posts. For carousels, add images in order and write captions that connect ideas, using short cues like continued below right arrow so viewers follow. If posting multiple separate posts, publish them in quick succession and reference the previous post by writing "see prior post" and the username if needed. Make sure to tag relevant users and include 1-3 target. Finish the thread with a strong closing post that summarizes and includes a clear CTA like comment your thoughts or save for later. Once published, monitor engagement and reply promptly to comments so the thread stays visible. That interaction keeps the series connected in viewers' minds. If your order is wrong or a caption needs fix, use the draft workflow or delete and repost the affected part. Make sure to inform followers briefly if you must republish, so they know where the conversation continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.